Sorry.
Where you be hiding out them somewhere of the citizens, Watson? Give them to your boss man now, or you gonna be sorry. Real sorry. So you can be sending them to the mall? No. Them is my people.
Okay, we're a bit faster actually than last
No
time.
way I go give them up. You always be soft, one
Cast the
Sunday.
shield.
Weak.
Cleaner pull.
Sooner or later
Yeah,
you're
pretty
gonna
much.
break.
I mean, that's just what it is. It's repetition,
Please
right?
go instantly, please.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'll keep
yeah.
first on speaker.
Sorry. I will be not able to up anymore. Stone elemental, please. If you have. No.
Great.
It's hard to be full TK, you know. Fucking know when you die.
True, actually. You can insta chain with yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Evil lurks nearby.
I'm not
I'm
able
gonna
to
pop
use
on
it.
this.
With haste.
Elves.
I'll take it.
I'll stun this. I mean, do you still have a stone elemental?
Yeah. So
Okay. Yeah, that's a bit scary.
Nah, it's just usually insta kick, yeah.
Yeah.
Now claim its power as your own.
Oh, they're like quite faster actually this time than the other time. I think at least. It's definitely more smoother, right?
So don't forget together who has the marathon.
Cool down.
Spear as well, okay.
Back
Back together, back together, back. But don't stay in the red shade, don't stay in the red shade.
Wait, the red shit around them does damage.
Way too fast.
We are. Let's just keep going, like, this is just...
I'm in combat, then I'll cast the shield.
That's actually good.
You can just spam a mount and they're passing one mob and you get it.
Oh, don't do that next time, please.
Okay.
Gosh.
It's not.
Please dispel me if you will.
1 second. That's enough.
Oh my god.
That hurts, yeah? Holy shit.
Rogue, I'm trying to this. The enrage.
Nice.
I have some cooldown still.
Yeah, I know. Okay, we're at the gates. I don't see.
I can grip you. In 6
Uh,
seconds. 6.
Okay, I'm kiting.
Yeah, you can take the
Yeah,
gate first.
see. Okay, you don't have to now. You don't have to.
I have a spell one.
Yeah, I'll stay. Yeah, read there. Oh. Now we can, yeah. Good.
I gripped already. I gripped the tank.
Don't forget to hide.
Beware. You approach a powerful servant of the jailer.
You say don't? Insta?
Yeah, don't insta kill.
But why?
I mean, actually,
The
the whole
single
gets
target, single target thing for both me and
for all of us. Actually.
I get like 20% crits and haste. Rates
Okay.
first one, the first one.
Take this one. Fight.
Take the beast's power. You will
power?
need it for the dangers ahead.
Always fucking forget.
Ours useless.
Yeah, but we could have taken them later as well. But I just need to fucking get into the habit of taking them.
Fucking leech power.
You take leash.
like the
I
shield.
mean, it's not bad. The
I
leash
know,
is
but I'm
not.
saying, who the fuck would ever take a leech?
People actually take it. I've seen it.
Yeah, let's link first one.
This is probably not gonna be a second one. I'm popping this time compared to the other one.
Mustang, Femi. Okay, reload as well. Okay. Stay together, stay together, stay together.
This time getting Vigor believe.
By the way, give me souls, please. Fuck. Because I'm just using them on the spirit link as well.
The Mars dark magic
Or healing.
coalesces here.
Party.
Remove it at the source.
Yeah, should kill you, right? This one's.
They killed me yesterday, one shot. Like, I stepped into one. Like, I think it was a 23 plague bomb, I'm not sure.
Oh, like the front leg.
Ah, the front row, depends on the class. Yeah, look, I died. Oh, fucking shit.
What happened?
Man,
I guess this ship.
I'm actually... I didn't see it, like, under me, like, literally from the fucking position.
Oh, let me some dots pop up real quick.
Probably it's not a good idea to guide to dunk it stairs. Yeah.
We all blew up here on the last part, so...
Yeah, it's actually fun because I'll have my limb just in 8 seconds.
Same, I have 2 minutes. This is not the worst. Yeah, we all have 2 minutes now.
Yeah.
Claim it.
Can't believe I died to the fucking puddle, dude. Shit. That was a good try.
Oh, beware,
What?
please.
Yeah, I know.
The aggro is bad.
That one guy. Inside.
Bron rib. Stairs, towards the stairs. Fuck. Didn't know this person's time.
You grip me?
You rock if you see
I'll
back,
go get them.
please distract or yeah. Second time casting.
One
Okay.
of the more
You may pull
ruthless
it.
Maw Swarm draws close. Be
Second, please.
ready.
Don't damage them too hard because they have taken
Just
everyone.
applying this.
This one.
Okay.
Solo, right?
Yeah, this time.
Yeah.
Please.
We don't want to
No
fuck some.
shenanigans. Yeah. Next one is with big pool with cluster, whatever.
Yeah, yeah, I want to make a big goal with this. But, like, you'll be having your 2 minutes, right?
In 1 minute, yeah.
I just want this.
If in 1 minute we can take double and then big pool because I need some space to kite.
Yeah, okay.
I can pop to your 2 minutes.
Yeah, so we can take a small, like, pool.
Okay, okay.
It's gonna be better if we take, like, a big
Yeah,
pool
because
and
I just
actually.
need space to kite.
To the victor goes the anima. Claim your power, Maw Walkers.
Wait a bit there. Just a bit, have to pull this shit. Okay, they're running.
We hear this again?
No, not here. Next pack.
My god, my ability missed again. What is this game? Like, why is this so fun?
Don't want to use this. Just try to relax on this pack if you're able to.
No, we don't have the two ones. I already
Okay.
have, I'm just holding.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
I think we target the big guy now. Yes.
I don't really see where the patrol is. Okay, give me some speed, please.
1 second. You got it now?
Okay, stack together.
So we hear,
Please, yeah, run for the activation.
we
And
hear
not
this
stay
now?
for long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Oh. I'll stay a bit. Get an aggro and oh, fuck this. Yep. The totem is there or no? I'm a bit about the aggro. Okay, yeah, it's fine.
I couldn't dodge the hit.
I didn't see combo that time. I just like set it like 50 season.
Yeah, okay, that was cool.
That was easy. It was really easy. We can do the same like before, I guess.
On this one.
Yeah. But now with okay, there
this
is
is not
like a big shit which we didn't have previous time because I did pulls in the other way around.
Yeah.
But
It shouldn't
I
be
can
an issue.
no, not yet.
Don't bother. If you can't handle more,
No,
don't.
no, yeah. Not now.
Just do
Because
next
this-
pattern.
This shit ruined me
We will-
the healing.
We have 2 minutes in like 1 minute, so we can just
Okay.
do big again in 1 minute.
Probably there are mobs inside it. Beware of these guys.
Try. Yeah, you can do a big pull now. You can start
We need to
collecting.
kill a little shit.
Please shade, please shade, please shade. Help me, help me, help me, help me.
Try to run forward. Just run forward. Okay, I'll pull a little shit for you, and I'll stand on my own. You'll kill it, and we'll go further. Okay?
Nice, nice. Yeah.
I got some.
Right, let's not use yours.
He's done? Okay, good.
Okay,
We can go now.
1 second. Oh, I need the body pull. Fuck. This one shit behind. We need one more behind. Did you pull it for me? Let's see.
Grip the shade.
bird.
I'll pull that.
Okay. Okay, let's just wait there because we need one more guy. Ah, okay, very good. But this one, please.
I can't believe I get every shade. I can't move, I can't move. Like, what? Why?
Must grip to me.
I got every shade during the burst. It's actually insane.
Sorry for that burst, for that pull because we fucked up a bit with the little bird. Which
Just
part-
do the guys to the left.
Oh,
as
didn't
well,
took a patrol. Shit. Okay.
It's fine.
Just get the left guys as well, and we'll skip.
Yeah.
And we just then we don't need the screamer later.
You didn't take them into account. I haven't seen this yet.
Yeah, this could be a not or something. I can check out.
Yeah, because I can't. This dude instead of me.
We needed 71%, yeah?
We are gonna be a bit above, so we should.
It's
Yeah,
fine.
okay. It's fine.
We're like 2 minutes faster at least this time.
We had less.
3 minutes.
A bit less.
Stack them better and it makes a big difference.
I was really unlucky with shades though. This time. Like, every
did I
time I
drink?
Never mind.
Yeah, yes, yes.
We are gonna need one of the callers after actually.
Okay.
Followers?
Yeah, the guys that we need to
The smallies.
Ah, okay.
You can just kill them off and go back there.
I don't really know how they call in English.
Hatchlings.
Bats.
Here to give this one a try.
Rona bots. Yeah.
What the hell? I'm lagging on the boat.
Entertain.
Who need the?
Now, where do
I don't need it, but I can take it. Yeah.
these are more than mere I would step lightly if I were you.
I hope I
Now, where to give
choose the right target.
Yeah, you need to.
here to give this one a try.
Oh, that's a bomb as well.
It's fine, he has rank. It's like in the
I
news.
would
Yeah.
step lightly if I
I don't understand. Is my attack so slow or I'm lagging?
You probably used to this boss with Lust at the time, like Kyrian.
Melee and then and community. Easy way.
This should be
And community.
Oh, that's not.
away with you.
You can give it to me. I'm in the back, yeah, on the other side of you.
They're gonna say stay where you are.
Oh, okay.
This should be entertaining.
Yes.
Give it to me.
Away with you.
Shaman gives it to me next.
My
Again.
twice dead. you to
Takes
fly?
reduced fall damage.
Now, where to put you?
Just think about early.
Wait, the feet, right?
This one
Yeah.
to try.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
So you said we need like a few more of this.
One hatchling.
One
so
hatchling, one.
Okay. Okay,
have-
then we are not able to take one.
Now,
Only
because-
three or two. I guess we'll take two.
Up front here.
Take the two.
No. From behind. We'll use the portal, and we'll go there behind.
You mean like go up
No,
like this?
yeah. Just mount up, flying, and going back.
I need to target something first.
Yeah, we need 71.6x, I think. Sure.
70.
We are
70.6.
71.3, yeah.
Okay. I'm pulling.
They're gonna double pull. Yeah, they're double.
I'll stun the far one.
Okay, I'll stun the first one.
That was...
Master next.
Okay,
Mother,
so-
yeah.
Road. That's like.
I wasn't
your-
listening.
Just fear,
I
just
have
fear.
to.
You have? Okay, yeah.
I was like checking messages.
But where did we fucked up? With the
We
person?
didn't fuck up, we were supposed to kill that.
Yeah. Sorry,
Yeah, but last time
In the route it was together with the mini boss. And
Okay. Fuck, but I don't have my link.
Me want them souls, Sandy. Me
about
want
the same time wise, right?
Rastakhan and all the
Yeah,
others
but
on
we
the
are
road.
less in the
It
persons.
ain't wise to be
Yeah,
holding
let's
We
out
fucked
on
up in the
Sandy.
previous time in the
Yeah, but
Mikanikos.
that pool actually worked out.
Your bond
Yeah,
with
we're
the
actually
people,
like quite a bit
the
slower.
power you share.
We're like a pull
The
behind.
only power
That pool last time, that the ninja pool.
no, last time
be
being
coming
coming
for them all.
Yeah.
Yeah, just run. You have
Did you use
can
the?
help.
Yes. It's looking on me. Fuck this shit on the roof. My god.
What the fuck is this? Are they? They have master?
Yes.
It's like this.
It's like dangerous of it to use because we
Yeah.
die.
Yeah.
to remember to kill the shades of this time.
Yeah. This
Beware,
time
don't step behind. You may pull the others.
Shit, it killed me. Yeah, it's good.
Time you're shooting.
It's not gonna shoot.
That isn't lucky. We're actually good to go.
Oh, we need to wait.
1 second, let's roll
Okay.
to activate the shit. But
Wait for
now-
it to also cross to the left side of this drill. Okay.
Yeah, just in case. Yeah.
Just wait for
Yeah.
it.
Go now.
Wait for the drill to cross.
Oh.
No, it's fine.
Or we can just go around. I guess. True.
Yeah, it's not.
I'm very slow in the back, by the way. Very, very, very slow. So I might pull this.
Yeah.
Oh,
No,
fuck.
no.
no.
It's fine.
Okay, nice, that's
Yeah, I'm like,
By the way. Sure, let's hear
yeah, the what?
The boss? Yeah, we can boss. Or we can last boss.
I mean, it's this or Hakkar. It's this and last boss or Hakkar. It's one of you.
Just lost a car.
Yeah, but we'll be having it on the 50 on Hakkar. It should be fine, guys. Should be fine. At least, but probably we have to use it on the beginning. I don't know.
But have it on our car if last year.
By the way,
It's
on this shroud thing, yeah, I started off first and I ended up last. Like, how the fuck is that possible? How is my class the slowest? Like, I was ahead of everyone.
Some speed up before.
Insane.
Okay, speed up.
Please stop these casts. I just killed this shit.
We may use it in the beginning, I guess.
Yeah, we can for sure. On pool. Just use on
Yeah.
pool.
But yeah, try to not to use everything.
I don't think we'll have it back for Hakkar though. We might, we
Yes,
might.
we will be.
We're not gonna have it, so just don't use it.
Just
Okay.
don't use it.
I'm using CD and pool here, but
Same.
We should have busted
So
it.
no hero now for this boss.
No.
Yeah. Okay.
we pop in second phase.
Hold on a minute. You just admitted to doing the same thing I did. Power beyond your comprehension. Laser time.
Leave it to me. You don't have to help me with this shit.
Power beyond your comprehension. Power beyond your comprehension. Now you'll witness my full power.
I'm covering Shaman.
Watch what you're doing, magnificent. Don't get in my way. New hell. This one will drive you nuts.
I get it.
This one will drive you nuts. I'm gonna light you and shadow you up.
So shall we probably
I'm gonna
skip to Hakkar, use the hero?
And then kill the shit after, yeah?
Yes, probably we'll be having a hero.
Someone get
I'll take that, I'll
No,
take that.
we don't get the two heroes.
Don't. Mathematically, it's impossible. So.
Why? What
I mean,
was it?
it is, but
No, like we can't.
we're gonna get it.
It's either your hero this and a hero in the second phase of last boss, or you can hero Hakkar.
Let's just hero Hakkar and fuck it, like. Surely.
Can we even kill this now? Then we're gonna hero hold her.
No, I'm killing it.
No, we kill.
I popped.
1 minute.
I'd rather give up the mojo than lose her. This one will drive you nuts.
I'll take.
This one will drive
Don't rush also, please.
You take elephant.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry.
No, you don't have to run if it's like close to us, you know, like here. Just take.
Yeah. Like, unless we're mid CDs, yeah.
Yeah, of course. The recall, like.
Oh. Grip it, grip it.
It's fine. I'll grip downstairs.
I'm not sure when it went.
10 seconds now.
But the destruct is.
Okay.
Is this track 10 seconds or something?
Yeah.
That's what that's what it is.
Grip.
Now give me them souls and kneel before your master.
That was long ago. Let me remember. Remember how the truths be turning
Hopefully timings are
I mean, actually, we could do that. We could just go Hakkar insta and lost it. Like,
But what about
Then
the
we-
shroud?
Don't do it.
you think?
You can lust like some other pack and still get Hakkar.
Sandy the one who gonna be forgotten.
I prefer to last Hakkar.
Yeah, same.
It's
I think
just
we just
it's
play
just
normally
safer.
and less Hakkar.
Yeah, sure.
Like
Let's go.
17, 18 minutes. Let's go.
Yeah, but yeah, that's just good.
Don't distract the guy.
You grip first, yeah.
Yep.
Next 10 seconds.
Can we do some bigger food after this? Like the
Yes.
Hackster and the Priest. Okay.
Yes, but we need to kill this guy in
This
order
one
to
is-
pull the rest. This one. Because we'll not be having enough interrupts.
Yeah, we kill the Priest and then we go.
Yeah. I'll pull double for
You can go now. by the way.
do you think we'll have enough kicks?
Yeah,
There will be
yeah.
3 casters. Okay. If you
No,
think...
no, just do,
Oh,
just
no,
do this.
just next
do
pack.
this.
Just next
Yeah,
pack.
just next pack. Like this, I pull.
Up.
Just that. There you go.
Okay.
Chain lightning.
Without turn. Ah, okay.
Yeah, just this. You thought big, yeah. No need.
I'll interrupt. Okay. Oh fuck, we fucked up on these.
We have 2 more interrupts. So. Very good.
Interrupts? Okay.
I have whatever's next. I don't need next for
Shades. Can relax for a second.
Okay, let's go for the rest.
I just got one shot by a shade. Bucket game.
It was that walker, not the shade.
Oh yeah, that's what I got.
Oh, that I don't have a... Okay.
Yeah, Brip?
Only one. Alone.
Okay, I don't have fear.
Okay, just wait for others. Try to stack together.
I should get it.
Okay. One is not interrupted.
Cool.
I had to use this.
Hey, it's fine for the devoted. Yeah, it's worth.
Yeah, I'll kick
Shaman totem,
cross.
please. Totem.
I'll kick cross. Then it's heal down with the
You kick cross, I'll kick skull now.
I kick cross already. So,
Okay.
we don't have interrupts. Okay, stopping that.
Shit. I'm seeing. Okay.
Not grip.
And then,
Oh fuck.
We have
Thank you.
interrupts now. I'm just dead. What's the thing?
I'll kick. Okay, I did.
I haven't started 3 seconds. Just gonna use it now.
Is it safe for the release? It is, yeah? Or...
Oh, okay. Look, we need your interrupt. Or it died already. I died.
just
Fuck.
kill that.
Okay. Okay, rope kite back.
Yeah, you can release.
Yeah, I will do that. Releasing.
Yeah, I did.
Shami, the totem didn't take anything. Good.
Yeah, it's
Interrupt.
the totem.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. It's
The
working
FL is
weird,
pretty
but-
useless. I just put mid ball.
Next.
I will just go hard. Bro, you're so good on plan. Holy fuck. No clown pulls in this
Okay,
time.
just give me a second to get there.
50
Mana.
again? Okay. Yes. Run forward and bring.
Please don't pull early this time. I really need 100% for this one.
Try to have some cooldowns for late, like DPS cooldowns to and mass grip for when we get like 4 rounds. Like at like 30-20%.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
I'm pulling.
Focus. Oh my god, I repeat the small guy for the...
And it doesn't work, I know.
Oh, Jesus, guys, give me it.
Yeah, it doesn't work. Like,
That's such a gay shit.
you didn't know? No? Yeah.
Wait,
But
just
you know
don't
what
link each other with the red
You
shit.
know the small guys give you bolstering stacks, by the way. Like I have 3 stacks of bolstering now.
Okay, AMZ for you guys. Try to stack, but without the debuff.
Hey, this one doesn't
Yep.
do that much damage, like the first one.
Okay. Well, it's fine. Like it will be harder in the future to stay in the end together in the debuffs.
Yeah, sure.
Ruin everything.
Guys, you guys are easy. Just make a try. Bad guy,
Don't
grab-
forget that you can stun this shit. It actually helps against the AoE.
Try to cleave for 7 seconds.
Of course. You can rest.
Saves if you have. Yep. No. Yep. Okay. We're clean. Ooh.
You're chilling, so... This boss is a joke on the part. Especially when less than 50.
I'll be able to kill everything.
Nah, just kill one more, play one more barrier.
If you have some saves, use it. I'll say no.
I can't get the...
I'll stun one. I'll grip another one. Must grip to interrupt the shit. Okay, just kill it now, do both.
Yeah, just kill the fucking...
Okay, nice.
Do you want to try and solo yours?
Yeah,
just try.
I can
Yeah,
solo
okay.
for sure if it's actually not higher than lower than
Nah.
Don't pull before me, please, because we might have some shit in the platform. It's really
I think at 23 it's gonna be like the same as a 20.5 HP wise tyrannical. I don't know if you can do 21 so you can tyrannical, you can for sure.
Can you do like 200k?
Right stairs, by the way. Right stairs.
Right side, I'll do left stairs. Don't use your other one, just you go left tank, you go left front left, like
left front, okay, yeah, left front with the healer.
Go
right front.
Right, yeah, exactly, that's it. Now we know, like everyone.
Okay, you never use that, right?
Nah, never. We always just like right.
Let's go. Try to save all your force, as well as the Chami. You too.
Yeah, sure.
Oh my god. My legendary actually works. Fucking hell.
Because for me it's actually quite hard, because I'm the weakest.
Can't believe my legendary is working finally. Holy shit.
Do you have pots for it, by the way?
Nah, but I don't use.
Yeah, I'm having a pot, so yeah, it's fine. I'm always saying.
Yeah, I'm gonna use it as well.
Yeah, we're like 1% ahead on the boss damage now than last time. Get resources and shit. Yeah.
Left.
Yeah.
Are you there?
Okay. Good.
You have tools for anyways. I predicted, by the way, I predicted it. Last time I was here, we had like a 400%.
Oh my god, what a damage, Shami.
Oh my god.
With that
Soulstone is insane.
My Smith was actually good.
Dude, I
also had reincarnation, but
Okay. Traders. Yeah, very good.
Nice. Easy.
Yeah, Shami actually did very good.
Good shit.
because here died is the worst.
Yep. Because then the giant can solo, kind of. Depending on what kind, like monk can solo, just touch of that.
Yeah, I can also solo like almost all the fight, but it's actually really hard boss for the solo tank.
No, not that, but the damage rise. Like you won't be able to solo the guy. Like.
Okay.
LMD in the back.
These HP fluctuations.
Pretty sure this boss is like hard bug or something. Everywhere possible. I'm like one rating from 2.6. I'm 250.99.
Hands are
Mortals
really
never
big.
be
Oh,
as
wait.
weak as you believe them to be. You
It's so
see,
much.
they
yeah.
are